noticed the following year is coming to an end? Oh my god, and all the feeds are full of "what have I accomplished this year" headlines. And you still have the challenge of where to find clients. It's not a problem if summarizing is not for you. It's high time to get ahead of everyone and think about 2023. AnyBiz team has already done everything for you. So take a comfortable seat, have a cup of coffee, and enjoy your watching. It's not a secret that email marketing is one of the most economical and effective forms of marketing. The research shows that almost 90% of marketers claim that the email marketing strategy is the most effective one. So, to boost your business in 2023, you must deal with upcoming trends to make the most of your email strategy. Make sure that you have subscribed to AnyBiz channel, as we know how to boost your business. Let's start with the first one, using personalized messages. Personalization is an email marketing tool that uses personal information about subscribers to create relevant emails. Individual address to the client improves statistics and significantly increases the effectiveness of email campaigns. Why is it so important to personalize it? Let's have a look. Personalization provides a positive user experience, strengthens relationship with customers, improves the efficiency of email strategy, and helps to increase the number of conversions. AnyBiz has snippets, and I should mention it. Second, moving away from open rate. What is open rate? The open rate is one of the main metrics that shows the quality of newsletters. It is the first metric that tells you if the newsletter worked or not. It shows the number of users who opened the email. But this year surprised marketers with several privacy-related changes that transformed tracking of campaign performance, especially from Apple. Therefore, marketers will continue to adapt. Because of these changes, the open rate is no longer as a reliable metric as it was. However, metrics such as clicks and click-through rate will become even more useful. The success of your email campaign depends not on the number of contacts you send out, but on the quality of your list. Create incentives for customers to feel good about leaving their emails for the newsletter. The third one is using artificial intelligence. To make better decisions and build a stronger presence in marketing, you need to analyze a large amount of data, statistics, resources, etc., in order to identify changes in your audience. Thanks to artificial intelligence, it has become more easier and even efficient to communicate with customers. This technology can help you analyze thousands of data and identify insights to fit your campaign, as well as customer patterns, to better understand how they interact with your emails or what they expect from you. Moreover, artificial intelligence is great for determining the frequency of sending email campaigns, as well as the best time to send them. Boost engagement with storytelling. Storytelling is the art of selling through stories. Easy, isn't it? Emotions are the best free roller coaster that can convince the user more than dry arguments. Storytelling technologies make a special impression. The method works due to the emotional component and narratives. They make the reader feel something, feel for your brand. And the last one, but not the least, mobile version focusing. Today, more than 60% of all internet traffic comes from smartphones. In addition, more and more purchases are made via mobile devices. This shift into mobile means that you must adapt your emails and make sure they appear and function correctly on mobile devices, as well as they have responsive design. If you want your emails to stay relevant in 2023, make sure you deliver a positive mobile experience for subscribers. Following the freshest email marketing trends is crucial for keeping email marketing strategy effective. If you find yourself stuck with points listed above, be sure that AnyBiz team will give you a hand. Ready to drive more revenue with email marketing? Schedule a call today. Get your clients tomorrow. Whoa, please hold on. If you like the video, press like button and don't forget to subscribe. And more, if you want to get more information about email campaign, email deliverability, watch one of these videos. See you soon!